Yo, look how big this sequoia tree is. It just keeps on going and going and going and going. It's like the ship in the beginning of Spaceballs. Close to the giant log that we can ride through, I believe. Look at all these trees. They're like on fire. They got lit up. General Gau's Highway. Whoa, look how thick these are. Look at this tree. Whoa, look at these thick boys. Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous. Whoa. How? I think these trees get so much oxygen that they grow like that. Oh my god. I think this is the way. Am I allowed to go this way? Well, no one's stopping me. I guess so. Let's go see this log. Wow, this is a narrow road. Do not go up the road here. Whoa, narrow. This is a road. Just keep it in first. Keep it in first. Whoa! Take it slow around these turns. Two-way street. Whoa! The valley! Look at this place. Dude, I feel like I'm in one of those fairy tale forests. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, Little Red Riding Hood. I feel like I should see Little Red Riding Hood around here somewhere. You gotta go real slow here. First gear turns. Very, very, very slowly. I want to see this log. This devil log. My boy's going wild. Whoa! Look at it! Whoa! We're in it now. We're in it now. Yeesh. Auto log. What's an auto log? Whoa! Whoa, that's a big log. Small. Small. Oh, look at this thing. Yikes. Let's ride through it. We're near some tunnel log. Look at that. That's awesome. That's hilarious. Hello. Very cool. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa, that's a big one. What's Moro Rock? We're already here. Whoa, big rock on the right. Ah, it's big. It's scary. It's scaring me. It's too big. Yeesh. Whenever I see something that big, it almost makes me frightened because it shouldn't be there. Cool place, cool place, cool place. So the interesting thing about Sequoia National Park is it's directly connected to Kings Canyon National Park. So we're gonna head north through that, out of both parks, and then towards Yosemite National Park, which we will go to tomorrow. Now you do need reservations to go to Yosemite, but that's only during peak hours of 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if you arrive before that or after that, you can get into the park, no problemo. Oh, look at these trees. Whoa, my goodness. That is nuts. How? How is they so big?